Okay, what's up guys, this is Lowy and today I'm going to show you how to buy Vbucks using your Paymaya virtual card, and let's jump right into it and I'll show you how to buy this one. Okay, once you're on your store tab, click on the item that you want to buy, click on that. Okay, right now I'm gonna buy the Ace pack that contains 600 Vbucks, the Ace outfit for the Battle Royale, and swag bag back bling. So just click on purchase, wait for the Epic Games. There we go. Okay, now once you're on the checkout page, what you want to do right now is click on, this is your Visa card right here. Verify the information that are required. After that, click on place order right here. Okay, let me fill this up real quick. Okay, just fill out the required information. Okay, right now enter my CV. Once you're done with that, confirm. Alright, right now, alright, see that? You already bought the Ace skin right here. Alright guys, for more information you can visit my YouTube channel right here. Subscribe for more updates regarding Fortnite posts and other stuff. Alright, have a great day guys.